Adityaha, son of Devaki, who was Aditi in her previous birth. This nama can be relished in many ways. Bhagavan Vishnu is Adityaha, son of Aditi and Kashyapa in his Vamana avatara. Bhagavan Vishnu is Adityaha. He is Samkarshana, who is attained through the Bija mantra A. Bhagavan is Adityaha, from whom moksha is obtained. In Vishnu Dharma, Bhagavan declares, Dakshayanitvam aditihi sambhuta vasudhatale nityaivatvam jagadhatri prasadam te karomyaham. You are Dakshayani, the daughter of Daksha, born as Aditi in this world. You are the mother eternal of the world. I confer favors on you, declares Bhagavan to Devaki. Therefore, in the current context, the Nama Adityaha refers to son of Devaki, who was Aditi in her previous birth. Contemplate on the glorious advent of Balarama Avatara. When the evil Kamsa killed all the 6 newborns of Devaki, Bhagavan instructed to Yogamaya, the 7th conception of Devaki shall be formed by an Amsha of Adisesha, and this you shall transfer before the time of birth to the womb of Rohini, another wife of Vasudeva who resides in Gokula. Thus, Balarama, conceived by Devaki, eventually took birth from the womb of Rohini. Adityaha, son of Devaki, who was Aditi in her previous birth. Om Adityaya Namaha.